To get the free notes of electrical circuits, check the link in the comment section and install the app for free. Equivalent resistance. Question: if n identical resistance, each of resistance R are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance is. So we have to find the formula when n identical, that means same resistances are connected in parallel and each have the resistance of R ohm. So we have to find its formula. So let's start with two resistances. Let's say two resistances of R ohm are connected in parallel. So here we can see these are the two resistors of R ohm connected in parallel. So this is R ohm and this is also R ohm. So their equivalent resistance will be, we know that R EQ is equal to R into R divided by R plus R, or when the two identical resistances are present in parallel, that time their equivalent resistance is half of it. So let's verify it. So it will be R square divided by 2R. So this will be this R and this R will get cancelled. So what's remain? R divided by 2. So this is for two resistances. Now let's see for three resistances. Let's see this for three resistances. Here we can write for three resistances. Let's add one more resistor here. So their equivalent resistance will be, also the resistance is same, that is R ohm. So this will be 1 upon R EQ is equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus 1 upon R. So this will be 1 upon R EQ is equal to, this will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 divided by R. So therefore R EQ is equal to R by 3. Now here we can see the value of N is equal to 3 here. The value of N is equal to 2 here. Now also let's see for 4 resistances. So again let's copy this circuit and let's see for 4 resistances. For 4 resistances, now here let's add one more resistance in parallel of same value, that is R ohm. Now its equivalent resistance will be 1 upon R EQ is equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus 1 upon R. So it is equal to 1 upon R EQ is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 divided by R. So therefore R EQ is equal to R divided by 4. Now here we can see the N is equal to 4. So here in denominator we are getting 4. Also for this N is equal to 3. Here also we are getting in denominator 3. Here also we can see N is equal to 2. That is N means identical resistances, number of identical resistances. Here it is 2. So here in denominator it is 2. So we can create a formula. So therefore R EQ is equal to resistance R divided by N. So this will be the formula for N identical. This will be the formula for N identical resistances. Each of resistance R are connected in parallel. The equivalent resistance is this much, R divided by number of identical resistances. Thanks for watching.